Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos on your Pinterest account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website, from which if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, in order to add photos onto your Pinterest account, you can save from the various pins that you see on your suggested home screen. Just click on the save button for the image that you wish to save or add to your profile. If you wish to save it into any other board, you can click on the drop-down menu and then choose your desired board, or you can also create a new one. You can also upload your own image by clicking on the create button at the top left corner. From there you can choose an image or a video file, or you can also save from URL. Proceed by dragging and dropping or uploading your image file, and once you upload it, you can also edit it by clicking on the edit button at the top right corner. After you are done editing, add your preferred title for your image and then enter the description. You can also enter your desired link if you wish to redirect your viewers to any link that you wish. Finally, choose a board, which is like a category underneath which you would like to place this image. You can then enter your desired tag topics for this image, and once you're done, click on the publish button at the top right corner, and now this will be published onto your account right away. You will find the created image underneath the created section, as well as your board, and the pins that you have saved will appear underneath the saved category. And there you have it. That is how you can add images onto your Pinterest account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.